Today's video is a remake of a project shared by some of the wonderful YouTube channels that I follow. I first saw a similar project a couple of weeks ago by the Daily Decorista. Her bunny was much better than mine, but I was inspired to give it a try. Our Green Acres also posted a faux chocolate project. Faux chocolate bunnies started out as foam bunnies I purchased at Dollar General along with 2 small wreaths. A package of foam bunnies was $1 and the wreaths were $5 each. I started by mixing dark burnt umber acrylic paint with polyacrylic satin finish. In the other projects, dark brown paint was mixed with glossy Mod Podge. I like that look better, but polyacrylic worked fine. For one of the wreaths, I made a basic bow, wrapped the ends loosely around the wreath, and secured it with hot glue. Next, it was time to paint the eyes to resemble chocolate bunnies. Dollar General has good prices on their art supplies and decor, but sometimes it needs sprucing up a little. I rearranged some of the greenery on this wreath. I made this bow from muslin fabric. For instructions on this bow, please watch some of Our Green Acres videos. Teresa demonstrates so many cute bows and has a great way of instructing on how to make them. My demonstration really doesn't do them justice, and I'm kind of slow and clumsy making this one. I know I'll get better. Make 2 or 3 loops underneath each side, then gather in the middle with a piece of string or twine and tie a knot. My hands feel so uncoordinated and like they don't want to work. I just need more practice. To make the ends of the bow, take a long piece of the same ribbon, tie a knot around the middle of the ribbon with the knot on the back. Now I'm adding a rustic flower and the faux chocolate bunnies to the first wreath. These bows are so cute and really help to give the piece a country French look or a farmhouse look, depending on what you're going for. I followed the same process for the second wreath, with the bow placed to the side. These wreaths were so simple. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.